Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to connect earbud to our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to connect earbud in your Vivo phone, so as you can connect this earbud to your Vivo phone. And guys, now let's see how to connect earbud in our Vivo phone. So friend, first of all, come in your phone setting to connect this earbud. Guys, come on guys, this Bluetooth and devices setting, and guys, on your Bluetooth. Guys, take out your earbuds. Guys, you want to connect both, so guys, take out both. Guys, new device, click, and guys, refresh it. So as you can see guys, this TWS guys, this earbud. So guys, you will have to click on guys your earbud name, then guys it will connect automatic in your Vivo phone guys. So as you can see guys, we have connected this earbud to our Vivo phone, then guys we can use this earbud in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends you understood how to connect earbud to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.